In this video, I'm going to show you how to save file from PDFfiller. So in case you are inside your PDF, you wish to save, you want to go to the top right over here, and where it says like done, you can see to the left of it, there's this save the document button, so we can just click on it, and from here you can select what you want to save as. So we have a bunch of different formats. I'm going to do PDF, and then I'm going to save to my downloads folder over here and click on save. Now as you can see, it's going to start saving, but of course to be able to do that, you will have to have one of their premium plans, one of their premium purchased plans, and then of course it's just going to save into your folder. Okay, however, if you're not currently inside your PDF and you are, for example, inside the menu, so if I click on done top right over here, it's going to save my file, and there we go, and it's going to of course show the file as well. So usually it's going to load a bit whenever you open it. There we go. Over here you could also do this by clicking on this button, which is the download button, and then you'll be able to again select where you want to download it, and if you have one of their premium plans, you'll be able to save that file from PDFfiller to your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.